So guys, today's best server not
Kasi na, kasi.
today. Gonna wait this.
Entah,
But-
pakai laser depan tadi kilo.
This
LS kasi handle na
Anita River.
necessitat. Kaya oo.
6, 8,
Hindi po nalutipan. Hindi na tayo pwede mira kay isi o kay tapunta din yun.
Cine panci na nih maya.
So guys, if you want bear nuts,
Pwede kasi daw, yun daw.
search my name. Look at the name.
Kasi libo tala sa
Guys, this is my name.
Sa palang?
Guys, wow, one.
Hindi ko
If you want, join the server.
Hindi si
Join
tapay
the
para
random server and
Isan
gonna
sila hindi
spell
kaya.
something like good first, likes and sub, and make happy sound. So you can whatever you want, just click my bio and comment here. You will comment I want bear nuts. And if you want to be relevant, just join my server. There's a random server sometimes, so I can give you something like good, extra very relevant.
Hindi na, kay. Manlay ko.
Later, Sammy will join me. So,
Oo, masama na.
if you want the admin, join also my random server. And
Isa pa.
if you have a very bear nuts,
Kaya rin.
I will.
Kaya doctor.
If you give me a bear nuts,
Este nih maya.
if you give me a bear nuts,
Pasase.
gonna
Oo,
give
kita
you
yung sa
good
babe na
bear
ano
nuts
babe.
also.
Eh baka pwede pa sa ano kung puti, man na kung puni. Baka pwede man daw kanda puti ma, pero yung black na, man na fishing kung pusigi.
Yes, it's a
Pwede
bukan.
baka daw. Abla abla ka na nun kay may
I cannot make it
aram
on
mo
like
lang
that
na klasa.
one.
Kung si ate, abla lang yun. Makusensor siya.
If you don't like, then I'm gonna spawn you. And I'm gonna spawn you.
Yan lang nakatapunta sila.
I'm gonna make you spawn strawberry.
Ay, nako.